Hi all, today I am going to explain you Vedic Maths. Vedic Maths is easy and faster way to solve the mathematical sums. Vedic Maths is a book written by Indian monk Bharati Krishna Tirtha. It contains the list of mathematical techniques which the author claimed it from Vedas. So it is named as Vedic Maths. Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Vedic Maths is a collection of sutras and techniques to solve the mathematical arithmetics in easy and faster way. It consists of 16 sutras, that is formulas, and 13 subsutras, that are sub-formulas, which can be used to solve the problems, mathematical problems, in an easier way. First, let's start with addition. For all the sums, we should know the basics, that is base from 0 to 9, base 10. We should know the addition table for the Vedic Maths addition, that is 0 plus 0 equal to 0 till 9 plus 9 equal to 18. I will show you the table. This is the addition table starting from 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 till 9 plus 9 equal to 18. In this, the pink boxes I have marked are non-carry combinations, that is only 9 you'll get. There is no carry forward to the next place digit. In the brown box, that is the orange box, it is a combination of 10. 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 9 plus 1. Here 4 plus 6, 3 plus 7, 2 plus 8, 1 plus 9. These are combination of 10. And other are carry combination, that is 2 digit above 10 till 18. These are carry combination. In this addition, Vedic Maths addition, you should remember only the n numbers, that is ones place only we should remember. For any number of digits, we should remember the n number. Once when you are thorough with this table, it will be easy for you to calculate sums within fraction of seconds. First, let's start with combination of 10. See here, in this, starting from 1 to 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10. Remember these numbers. It will be easy for you to calculate easily. These are simple additions. 16 plus 74. Let's take ones place first. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is combination of 10. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Already 10 is there. In this, how will you expand 16? 10 plus 6. Here 70 plus 4. 10 plus 6, 70 plus 4. Add 10 plus 70 and 6 plus 4. You'll get 80 plus 10. Answer is 90. In the same way, you can do 8 plus 2 is 10, 40, 30, 10. Total is 80. In this 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 50, 20, 10, 80. In this 19 plus 71, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 70 plus 10 is 90. 63 plus 77, n numbers 3, 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 60, 70, 10, total is 140. First, we should be thorough with the combination of 10. 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6. Here 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 9 plus 1. Once when you are thorough with this, you can do the addition of combination of 10 very easily. That's all for today. Let's see in the second class the next method, carry combination and non-carry combination. Please be thorough with the addition tables to do the sums easily. Thank you. Bye all.